Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it works exactly as advertised. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes TS-NACS so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up.